Maybe another time. Another time.
Come on, man. Come on. Oh, brother. Now, folks, if you... Bean, where are you going?
Oh, I'm going to help Miss Piggy with her musical number.
But Bean, you don't know what interrupts Miss Piggy while she's around.
Hey, look! Look at the guy in the goofy mask! That's not a mask. Oh, sorry, lady!
For the comfort and safety of everyone around you, please no flash, photography, video lighting, or cell phone usage during the show. Now put on your special 3D glasses as determined in the game Carlin presents, Muppet Vision 3D.
Hey, look! Orchestra of penguins! Yeah, probably took the job for the hell of it.
Sorry, boss. Hi-ho, Melody Frog here, and welcome to Muppet Vision 3D. Now, let me show you around our research center. See, here in this modern high-tech facility... Hey, careful! Here in this modern high-tech facility, we have perfected Muppet Vision 3D, a new film process which we're about to demonstrate. Now, the projector is an old Farmer's the Swedish chef. Chef, everything okay?
The machine is going to flumy.
Exactly. And our demonstration includes a little song from Miss Piggy. Did I say little? I meant to say it's a huge show-stopping major song from Miss Piggy. That's more like it. Good. And we've also got a big musical finale from Sam Eagle. Sam, what's it about?
It's called A Salute to All Nations, but mostly America.
Great. So it's going to be a swell demonstration, and at no time will we be stooping to any cheap 3D tricks.
If you say cheap 3D tricks... and here's something I wanted to spring on you.
Walmart, it's that dumb bear again.
Yeah. Hey, Bear, you're not even funny in 3D. Oh, not you guys. How did you get here?
We entered a contest. Yeah, we lost.
Oh, yeah? Well, my new 3DX gonna shower you all with humor. Waka waka!
He's trying to drown us. What kind of act is that?
An act of mercy.
We'll better off next time, Fozzie. Okay? And now, if you'll come this way, I can show you our secret laboratory. You see, we invited distinguished scientists from all over the world to come and work here. Unfortunately, none of them showed up. So instead, I'd like to introduce you to the guys who invented Muppet Vision, and they can show you some of their... right now, I'd like to turn you over to Dr. Bunsen Honeydew and his assistant, Beaker.
Well, thank you, Mr. Kermit. Today, let's look at the advancements we've been working on for Muppet Vision. Beaker, would you turn on the machine? Please keep your heads down.
That's enough people's heads.
Bigger, activate the inflatomatic.
The what?
Hurry.
Now I can start my own football team.
I have to try the vacuum Muppet. Yes. Ladies and gentlemen, we're all thinking please with Carmen's Marvel.
Hey, I'm free! Taxi! Right, now I'm getting out of this place.
This way, folks. I'm sorry, but Muppet Lab seems to have been temporarily sucked up. But, what is that?
Hey, come in. See, it's my new remote control banana green pie. Hey, come in. Watch this. Ozzy, that's terrible. You're right. Needs more sugar.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, for the first musical portion of our demonstration, we have Miss Piggy in a wonderful 3D number. That's you, Penguins.
Doesn't it look beautiful? Yeah, too bad you're gonna spoil it for the pig.
La 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 la. Oh, sun shining bright above you. Soft breezes seem to whisper, I love you. Birds singing in the sycamore tree. Ringing in the wind. Oh. Look in my eyes and kiss me. Just hold me tight and tell me you miss me. While I'm alone and blue as can be. No troubles as life goes on, dear. Still craving that kiss. Oh my goodness!
Oh, that was going so well. I was just doing 3D. Guess I won't be needing this.
What's that?
It was for the big water skiing finale.
Anyway, what are you doing?
What do you mean?
You are ruining this film.
Well, I was just trying to
Get
help.
out.
I didn't mean anything.
Go away. Go away.
Does anybody know the way out of this film? Hey, you got a map down there? Well, you come with me if you like. I just got fired and I'm running away. Terrific! Let's go. Okay.
Hey, Bean, what's up?
I'm going away. Forever.
Oh, great. Could you get me a sandwich? Would any of you people like anything? Since he's going out, he could forever? Bean? Bean? Oh, Kermit! Kermit!
Hey, sweetheart, that's a rare fact.
Hey, Fuzzy Kermit!
What is it?
Bean Bunny ran away!
Oh, no.
Yes, our riddance!
Hey, we gotta find him.
I know!
Everybody spread out and look for me.
I'll go this way.
Ladies and gentlemen, we'll continue the show in just a moment. But in the meantime, if you see a rabbit, holler.
Bing.
Bing. Oh, Bing.
Where are you, Bean?
Hey, what's all the commotion about? Bunny ran away. Well, you know what that makes him? Smarter than us. Hey, anybody seen a bunny?
I see one.
I don't see a bunny. Where?
There.
Where?
Up there.
Oh, nothing up there but a bunny. A bunny? Bee!
Hi, sweetheart.
Hey, Kermit, look!
What? Bean, what are you doing out there?
I'm running away. nobody would let me help in the movie.
This is a very moving moment.
Yeah, I wish they'd move it to Pittsburgh.
Hey, Bean! What are we doing sticking around here? Let's burn rubber! He's Waldo, my 3D friend, and we're both leaving the movie. Right?
But me! If you leave, you'll miss all the fireworks.
Right, yeah! Fireworks? Ooh, okay, I'll stay. But I want to help.
Gee, is there anything Bean can do in the final number?
Oh, gosh. Maybe Bean could set off the fireworks.
That sounds great! Yeah, and I'll stay and help. I love fireworks!
Okay. Sam, are you about ready?
Yes, it's a glorious 3-hour finale.
You got a minute and a half. Okay, everybody, get ready. Ladies and gentlemen, the Muppets proudly present the final demonstration of Muppet Vision 3D. Ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to apologize for our slight technical difficulties, but I do wish to assure you that no one was hurt, and this theater suffered only minor damage. So thank you very much.